What if you could speak English confidently every single day using just 100 simple sentences?
In this video, you'll learn daily use English sentences that native speakers use in real-life conversations.
These sentences are easy, natural, and perfect for improving your English speaking skills.
So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me.
Welcome to Doc Pro English Learning.
Morning English sentences.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
I just woke up.
I'm still sleepy.
What time is it?
I need 5 more minutes.
Let's get ready.
Brush your teeth.
Take a quick shower.
What's for breakfast?
I'm really hungry.
The coffee smells great.
Hurry up or we'll be late.
I can't find my phone.
Where are my keys?
I'm leaving now.
Have a nice day.
See you later.
Drive safely.
Don't forget your bag.
At work or school.
How was your weekend?
Nice to see you again.
I'm a little busy right now.
Can you help me?
I don't understand this.
Could you repeat that?
Speak a little slower, please.
That makes sense.
I totally agree with you.
That's a good idea.
Let's start the meeting.
I'll do it later.
I'm working on it.
Give me a moment.
I'm almost done.
Let's take a break.
I'm feeling tired today.
What do you think?
I learned something new today.
Great job.
Daily conversations.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Long time no see.
What are you up to?
I'm just relaxing.
That sounds interesting.
Really?
Tell me more.
I can't believe it.
You're absolutely right.
Don't worry about it.
It's not a big deal.
Everything will be fine.
I'm so excited.
I'm a little nervous.
That's funny.
You made me laugh.
I miss you.
I'm proud of you.
Congratulations.
Keep going.
Shopping and eating.
How much is this?
It's too expensive.
Do you have a smaller size?
I'm just looking, thanks.
Can I pay by card?
Keep the change.
The food looks delicious.
I'd like to order pizza.
Can I get some water?
This tastes amazing.
I'm full now.
Let's eat together.
The service was excellent.
I love this restaurant.
Let's grab a coffee.
Travel and free time.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
How far is it?
Turn left at the corner.
I'm lost.
Can you show me the way?
I need a taxi.
The traffic is terrible today.
What a beautiful day.
Let's take a picture.
I'm having a great time.
This place is amazing.
I want to come back again.
Let's go shopping.
I need some fresh air.
Night sentences.
I'm finally home.
Today was a long day.
I'm so tired.
Let's watch a movie.
I need to finish my work.
Thanks for your help today.
I had a wonderful day.
Good night.
Sleep well.
See you tomorrow.
Excellent job. The more you listen and repeat these sentences, the more natural your English will sound.
Practice them every day and try to use them in your real conversations.
If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Doc Pro English Learning for more English speaking practice, daily conversations, and fluency training videos.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next lesson.